Good morning, good morning. Yeah, man. Yes, Iyah. To all the viewers and subscribers on the voice of Bed Miller. This one name, Health Before Wealth. In the me, myself, and I and Wifey gym. Me not say nothing more. Me not say another word. I just work out time. You understand me? Health before wealth. In the me, myself, and I and Wifey gym. I remember the 1st of August. Yeah, man. Michael Malley Pitney will be at Nib. Link up, link up. 1st of August. Please don't miss. Because to miss is to this. So when you say, Iyah, you fly down Iyah? Iyah, if you fly down Iyah? Iyah, me say if you fly down. Because I prepare now, you know. Non-stop training and non-stop gym work. And the 1st of August. Yes, Iyah. Let me say health before wealth. Yes, Iyah. Your 20 minutes workout, me again, you know. 20 minutes workout, now. Yeah, man, you know, me, myself, and my wife gym. Me, myself, and I, and wife gym. Head before wealth. Nip school, D-cup, link up. Nip school, D-cup, aluminize, link up. Here I come. Yeah, man, the 1st of August. Yes, Iyah. Michael Mali Pitney. For life. I just do some chest. Some leg more do on my knee. Yes, Iyah. A circuit training me I do now. I just do my chest a while ago, more do me. Yeah, my knee and my thigh. Yes. What is on abs now? Yeah. Me say a new name I got you know. A new name I have now you know. Michael Mali Pitney for life. This a Prime Minister have made me the person I am now. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. This a hard and a shame. What if this one put it sitting? Yeah, man, the up slide hard. But say me kind of 5. Yes, Jaja. Yes, Iyah. See me kind of 5, brother. Hard. Jaja. No Iyah. No, sir. No, Iyah. No, sir. Yeah, man. This one for the YouTube. 20 minutes for the YouTube. My pride and joy. Yes, Iyah. The best nip school side ever. 1982. The best nip side ever. My pride and joy. I say when you work out, you work out and enjoy the workout. You understand me? Nip school and steps for life. But big up Iyah Primary and big up Allen High School. Big up all the schools who support me in the graduation season. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. It's a 20 minutes for the YouTube. Yes. Yes, I not talk long. How much? Yeah, man, 20 minutes no, man, because I want to cut 2-minute statement. Speech, you know. One of the top male sports graduate and the top female sport graduate at the Iyah Primary Infant, the primary department. One of the top sports students you know say last year me did give 10,000 for the top male sports and 10,000 to the top female sport. This a year now, we're going to increase it by 5,000 more. So 15,000 for the top male sports graduate and 15,000 to the top female graduate. Every year, I'm going to try to put on 5,000 upon it. Yeah, so this year 15,000. Next year now, if God's willing, I go 20, 25 the other year. So I want to deal with it. So I have to start little by little. But you know, say, I have to give back something to the student athlete them. Because I say, a sports mind thing there. Yeah man. A sports my money thing there. So anything to encourage the youths them in a seat. I'm going to try my best. I know see me not going no all primary children sports and much today. No, I change my mind. I go back school. I get TJ some strength for get back school playground ready. Ready for something there. For tomorrow. But yeah man, so I don't go on something there. I don't go much today. Sorry about that. I buy school, I left us now, I buy school, I go and work on the field. Go and get TJ strength because tomorrow I buy school sports day, not a buy school sports day, you can't miss me. Yes, Iyah. So, as I say, yeah, I'm signing off for now because I say 20 minutes with a workout in the seat and 3 minutes speed. So, as I say, the top male and female student, athlete, graduates, yeah man, at 15,000 each. 15 for the top male, 15 for the top female. So, yeah man, so everything set. So, as I say, graduation time is in the air. So, as I say, as soon as I start to do thing, when it was late, we're going to take pictures of them. So, as I say, thank you for tuning in. And I let us know, and go bicycle go prepare bicycle field for tomorrow. So, one love, and big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Yeah, my Michael Manley Pitney. I tried out now. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah.